Hello, my name is Katrina, and if you want to see how I made this beautiful at-home luxurious spa on a budget, stay tuned and keep watching. This is a good one. Tonight was one of those nights where, since I was child-free, I needed to pamper myself. I needed to relax and unwind and just feel good. So I decided to put the work away and give myself an at-home luxe spa on a budget, of course. Ooh, my hair's looking a little rough, y'all, but don't mind that. These are my twist outs from about 3 days ago. So I just decided to pull that back, get it out the way, because I'm taking care of everything else, not my hair tonight. Now let's get started. First, I'll be using my Neutrogena makeup removal wipes. Even though I didn't have any makeup on my face, it's still a good first step to do to remove any excess oil or dirt that you might have on your skin. Now I'm going to use my favorite daily cleanser from Cetaphil, and I'm going to pair that with my Orbit facial brush system by Tao or Toe. Can't remember which one it is, but either way, guys, this is so unbelievable. I use this as opposed to using my hands because the spinning motion is combined with silky soft bristles, thoroughly sweeps through your pores and safely dislodges dirt, dead skin cells, and all makeup residue. This video is not sponsored, but this brush is amazing. It comes with its own daily care brush head and an exfoliating brush head as well, and the docking station which you saw earlier, which kills mildew and keeps your brush dry. I always blot my face dry with the paper towel instead of a rag. This helps to keep the moisture in. And now I'm going to use my Rose Quartz and Charcoal Gentle Pore Refining Scrub Facial Cleanser from Biore. Guys, the smell, it smells like rose gold. And of course I apply it to my Orbit brush instead of using my hands. This stuff makes your face feel so good. Go smell it if you don't believe me. I got it from Walmart. I place the brush back in the docking station and let it dry and charge for the night. So now I want to make sure my hair is completely covered and protected, so I use my head towel wrap that I got from Amazon, cute and cheap, and there's a little small button in the back that keeps it locked in place. Now ladies, if you're looking to up your at-home pamper spa session, if you want to feel like you've spent $100 or more at a spa, but you did it at home yourself, you should get you a facial steamer. I talked about this product previously in another video. This is the 3-in-1 facial steamer, humidifier, and towel warmer. It doesn't get much better than that. This helps to unclog your pores, opens them up so that way whatever product you're going to apply can penetrate deep into your skin. It helps to remove blackheads, comes with a 5-piece stainless steel kit. This leaves your skin feeling so radiant. Spa quality on a budget. This will definitely up your spa game for sure. Y'all see that smile? Y'all see that glow? Now all I did was just take the heated towel that was in the center of my steamer and I completed the process. So for my spa facial tonight, I'll be using the Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay Mask. This is supposed to be the world's most powerful facial that you can give yourself at home. So of course I'm using it. It's for deep pore cleansing and it's made with 100% natural calcium bentonite clay. Again, this is real clay that you're using, so it tightens up so hard on your face and you will feel it tingling as it tightens. I just apply it all over my skin. You can mix it with either water or apple cider vinegar. I always use apple cider vinegar, even though the smell is horrible. But you let this sit on your face for about 10 to 15 minutes and then you'll need to rinse it off. It looks like I'm mad, but I'm telling you, this stuff is so tight. So you'll have to apply warm water and you do have to apply some pressure when rinsing it off because it will take a minute to get off and you will have to clean out your sink. But the results are worth it. The clay may leave your face just a little red due to its tightness, but that does go away. Then I'll take my favorite vitamin C facial serum by True Skin. I'll apply 4 to 5 drops over my face and I'll rub that in. This serum helps to rejuvenate the skin. It helps to minimize pores, blackheads, blemishes, evens the skin tone, and leaves your face with a radiant, nice glow. You have to lock it in with your favorite moisturizer, and I use my Cetaphil because that's the facial cleanser that I use. Can't forget to treat those eyes because the bags are real. And I'm not talking about money bags. I'm talking about the bags and the puffiness that be going on underneath my eyes. So I'm trying to reduce the darkness underneath my eyes. So I use these vitamin C and retinol anti-aging under eye pads that I got right from Home Goods for like $3.99. They come 5 pair in a pack, and of course you just peel them apart and you place them underneath your eyes. They're so lubricated and moist with vitamin C, so you just smooth that out right underneath each layer of the eye. Be sure not to get it in your eye, and I am almost ready for my spa night. Now your girl got some real small lips, but I still don't want them to be dry or chapped. And I'm not trying to be using those sugar scrubs and all that stuff. This is spa at home on a budget, so I just use some chapstick to make sure they are nice and lubricated. Now I am ready, honey. Let's do this. So just a little FYI about me as you're getting to know me. I don't drink any alcohol or wine, but I still need something sexy to sip on as I'm creating this nice little spa bubble bath night. So I'm just cutting up some oranges, some cucumbers, and some lemons. I forgot to get the mint, but that's okay. This still gonna taste good and it's still gonna look good. I'm setting the mood. So slicing that all up, tossing it in this nice little water glass jar that I got from Amazon, pouring it up in this nice little wine glass so I can feel sexy tonight, and listen, topping it off with a nice little lemon on top, and I'm almost ready to go. So now it's time to run the bubble bath, and I gotta make sure it's nice and hot. I add in some Dr. Teal's Epsom salt so that way my body is nice and relaxed. Then I'm gonna throw in some of my favorite lavender essential oil so that way it smells good, and gotta have the bubbles, lots of bubbles. Now it's time to set the ambiance and the atmosphere for your spa. So I'm lighting these hurricane candles that I got for $1 from the Dollar Tree. That's right, we on a budget. Don't sleep on the Dollar Tree. I'll be taking my spa night to the next level using my Viva Naturals Essential Oil Diffuser. All you have to do is add some water and your favorite essential oils, and automatically it creates this aromatherapy that you will just love. Comes with 7 different LED mood settings to choose from. Now, I've seen these soap petals that just match perfectly, so of course I had to have them. Threw those into the bubbles for an extra added little fancy touch. Now I got my snacks to munch on, my grates and my diffused water, and of course I'm using my over-the-tub caddy that holds all your essentials to just add a little fanciness to the spa. And here you go. This is what I created on a budget, my Pamper at home spa night. Anyone can do this. As you can see, my bathroom is not big, not fancy, but it does the trick. It's almost time to get in. This water is nice and hot, steaming hot just the way I like it. So that way I can enjoy this bubble bath oasis heaven that I've created for a good 30 minutes or more. I have my headrest behind my head, my snacks to enjoy, and now I'm about to set the ambiance with some great music to listen to. You can read a book or do whatever you like to do that relaxes you, but I'm just gonna sit here and enjoy and vibe off some music and enjoy my mommy-free night. I do not get many nights like this, so I am soaking it all in, literally. Guys, this is something that everyone needs to do, especially if you're single. Please treat yourself to a nice Pamper spa night at home. So simple and easy to do. I do not even want to get out. I'm just loving this, but I know I have to get out soon. So, soaking it in from head to toe. I make sure to blow out my candles before I get out, and once I get out, ooh, honey, I feel so good and relaxed. Now it's time to take off the under eye pads that I had on. You just peel those right away, and you'll notice that there'll be extra vitamin C and retinol left over. So you definitely don't want to rub it off. You want to rub that right into your skin for extra moisture. I'm not done yet. Time for me to top off my Pamper Night with a nice body scrub. Can't forget about the body. So I'll be using this Shea Sugar Scrub with pomegranate from Tree Hut. This stuff smells amazing, so I thought I would use this instead of my normal brown coffee sugar scrub. Guys, this stuff feels so good, rejuvenates the skin, leaves it with a nice glow, and leaves it soft and silky to the touch. Can't forget about all those stubborn, dry, rough areas, especially the feet, honey. Gotta have those feet feeling silky smooth like a baby's bottom. Now I'm going to use my Petty Soap Infused Sponge from Spongeables. This contains shea butter and tea tree oils. It cleanses, exfoliates, massages, and moisturizes the feet all in one. You can use this about 2 to 3 times before it's done. I'm going to give my legs a nice little shave so that way there's no stubble and I can end my night feeling nice and smooth from head to toe. Finish my shower and I jump out, and of course I'll have to apply some lotion to lock in all this moisture and seal everything in for the night. Oh, y'all thought I was going to tell y'all some fancy lotion to use off of Amazon? Remember, we on a budget. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. This is some good old Jergens with some shea butter that does me just fine. Now, after that long, luxurious spa that I created, it's time for me to end my night with some warm, hot tea in my best mom ever mug. I love this thing. Got this from Home Goods. Ladies, go ahead and pat yourselves on the back because you do a phenomenal job raising these kids or going hard to work, taking care of your families. So if you have enjoyed this spa that I've created at home, please do not hesitate. Go ahead and like and subscribe for your girl. Leave a comment down below what things you might try, what you have tried, or any suggestions for my next spa. Guys, thank you for watching. Enjoy. Keep coming back for new weekly content. I'm tired, I'm beat, and I'm going to enjoy the rest of my night. Have a good night, and I will see you next time on Katrina B TV.